super simple dish, stuffed peppers. In Peru we call them rocoto relleno, but obviously in the United States you really can't find fresh rocoto to be able to stuff it and get that nice flavor, so I use a bell pepper. Still comes out really good. This is a great dish to purge your fridge. Honestly, anything that has stuffing or filling is probably a great way to get rid of a lot of things that are probably in your fridge that you don't want anymore, or you have a little bit of, and you just throw it all in there, make the filling, and put it in whatever it is that you want. Besides that, guys, I think that is it for today. Again, really simple, really easy. We'll see how many more videos we got before hopefully this ends soon. Stay safe out there, have a good time, and I hope you enjoy this video. Have a good one.